If you know you're not going to watch this video to the end, kindly skip the video right now, because everything I want to pass to you in this video is something that I've experienced in the market, and it took me a lot of years to get to experience this. So please and please do not waste your time if you're not going to watch this video to the end, because every information that I'm going to pass in this video is in details, and if you don't get to watch it complete, you will not be able to learn everything. So do yourself the favor and spend this little time with me so you can get to learn these things and get to use it also and get to make money from the market, guys. So if you're new to my channel and I'm meeting for the first time, my name is Philip Joshua, and on this channel I'll be teaching a lot of things about the forex market, starting from the beginners level to the advanced level. I've taught everything you need to know. So all you just have to do is go back to my old videos and get to watch from there so that you can get to understand how things work in the market and get to make money from trading the market also, guys. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you one thing that I learned in the market that helped me from a losing trader to a winning trader, because there were days I was not even making money in the market at all. When I mean not making money, it was more like I was giving the broker my money every day, because I get a deposit but still yes, no result at the end of the day. Maybe I get to make little profit, then at the end of everything I get to lose everything back to the broker. But after I discovered this strategy in the market, I was able to kind of start pulling good figures in the market, and I became more confident in myself and in my trade, because if I get to enter the market, the trust that I have over this my new system helps me to stay in the market for long without thinking too much. In fact, I even get to take trades and get to leave the market where I go to do other things and other activities that I have for the day, and still yet I come back to meet a lot of them eating my take profit in the market or very close to my take profit. Then from there we just get to close if the take profit is very close already. So this is the same information I want to pass to you guys so you guys can also get to use it and get to make money in the market. So what are you waiting for? Stick to the end, just like I've told you before. It's for your own good, guys. And also we are going to start a trading challenge very soon, and every trade we're going to take on that challenge is going to be posted in our Telegram community. So what are you waiting for? Get to join my Telegram community so that from there you can get to trade with us and get to make money also in the market. The link is in the description, the link is in the comment section. Get to use any of the link that you like and get to join that community ASAP. Don't forget to do what? Hit that subscribe button also. Don't forget to like the video after watching the video or before watching the video, and get to share with your trading friends so that you can get to watch also and get to learn some things from the market. So right now let's get straight into the video. Let me get to show you on how this actually works in the market so you can also get to see results for yourself in the market, guys. Let's go. Alright guys, so let me show you the strategy that changed everything for me and how to apply it on your chart every day so that whenever you get to see the opportunities in the market, you get to tap in and get to make money from the market also. So this is one of the things that have been helping me for a very long time now. You can see I'm selling this step index in the market, and I'm still expecting the market to rise from this side. So these two things is what I've been doing for a very long time now, and I've been making crazy figures from the market. A lot of you are in the Telegram community, you get to see the way I win in the market, and you get to see how I get to lose little amount of money whenever I get to lose in the market. So from this place now, I'm expecting the market to drop back to this place. Then after this, we get to push the market to the upside again. But let me show you guys on how to do it so you can do it every day on your chart also. So let's go back to the first time frame that we get to analyze the market from, which is our D1 time frame in the market. This is where we get to know where the market is going for that day. So right now we're going back to our D1 time frame. And on this D1 time frame, the first thing you should look out for is the structure of the market, which is getting to know what is trying to form in the market. So around this side, you go to the left hand side, you get to check the history of the market, check places where the market has tapped into before, just like these places now. Let me bring out an horizontal line. Probably I get to use another color so I can make it a little bit unique. Let me change the color to blue. Alright, so I've made the color blue right now, and I'm going to use this to show you on how to do the same thing every day. So on this chart now, this is an horizontal line, and we're going to place it around the side due to the fact that this place is the last place where we have a structure in this market before the bullish move that occurred in the market. So right now what we're trying to do is get to find out where we should expect the market to come around, then from there we get to enter again. And around this side, which is the historical part of this market, you get to see that in this place the market came, broke these structures around the side, and after then the market came, got a retest around the side. So this movement from this side was able to push the market, breaking this place and also breaking this place. If I thought the market broke this place, got back a retest around the side, the market could have rise continuously towards the upside. But what the market did was that the market came, broke the whole of this place, and after then we got some kind of rejections around this side. So after those rejections, the market broke this whole place and came and got a balanced market around this place, telling us that the market is going to come back to liquidate all of these rejections in the market, because on a normal note, the market is supposed to come back to these rejection points, and from there the market now start rising towards the upside continuously. So after the market took away the all of these rejections around the side, the market came, got a retest around the side, Then after the market got this retest, the market started pushing toward the upside, but the strength of the market wasn't that strong, because at this point again we got some kind of rejections in this place, and these double rejections were not supposed to happen in the market. It was supposed to be one rejection, then from there continuous move toward the upside. So after that time we got a push toward the upside again, got to break this whole place. Then from there the market came, drop towards the downside, and if the market has to go toward the upside continuously, the market has to take this structure away. So around this side we have a BOS in the market, which is breakout structure, and from there the market started rising toward the upside. So right now what do we expect in the market? What we expect now is this place where we have our breakout structure, which is this side. We expect that place to push the market toward the upside if things are going to go well in this market. But right now you can see what the market is forming, and which is one of the things whereby we have to check out before we get to enter any trade. The market came, break that place again. So right now that the market has broken that place, we are going to follow up with the trend of the market, because the trend of the market states that the market should sell from this side toward the downside for now. So there's no assurance or strong information that the market is going to go toward the upside for now, because there's no bullish structure right now in this market, and there's no balanced market that will push the market toward the upside. So this is still an effect from the downtrend that has occurred in the market already. So right now look at what the market is doing. Around this place where we have this horizontal line, we expect that the market doesn't get to break the whole of that place and take that structure away. So this horizontal line is going to be around here. Then we get to a lower time frame and get to check out what the market is actually doing. So on the lower time frame now we have our H4 time frame in the market, which is the time frame where we get to enter, and from there we get to find out what the market is trying to do also. So on this H4 time frame, you can see that the trend of the market, which is still a bearish trend in the market, is still accurate in the market. So what we're going to do now is check out the last place where the market got a retest around, which is this point in this market. So around this side now, you can see that the market came here, got a retest around this side. So after the market got this retest around this side, the market is now back to this place, trying to liquidate all of this place. Then after this liquidity happens in the market, we get a push from this side where we have our first blue horizontal line in the market in this side. Then we have that push towards the upside. But right now that we are following up with the trend of the market, we are trying to follow up with what the market is doing. We are going to look out for a place where we get to sell, and that's how I was able to get this place where I'm trying to sell right now in the market. So let me show you something again. Right now that I found out this place where the market has tested, where do you expect the market to come around? The market is expected to come around this side. But since this is a higher time frame in the market, you have to get back to your lower time frame and get to know what happened within this place where we have a lot of wicks in the market, because these are a lot of things happening in the lower time frame, and you have to understand this so you can get to know your next move in the market. So that takes us to our H1 time frame in the market, which is our 1 hour time frame in the market. And on this 1 hour time frame in the market, you can see that the whole of this place now means something in the market. It's not just like wicks in the other side. So around this side now, you can see that the market was expected to come around this place, and from this place the market now start dropping toward the downside. But we can't just conclude on this place also, because around this place the market still came and broke it. So we have to know what is the reason whereby the market came and broke these rejections a little bit. So we have to go back to the lower time frame also and get to know what the market is trying to do. But on this other side now, we have to check out that place where we mark out on our day 1 time frame as our entry point if at all we get to buy in the market again. So around this side now, you can see that this place is still valid. There's nothing to show in this place. So around this side now, we have to go to a lower time frame and get to know what's the reason why we have this in the market. So we're going to go to our M30 time frame right now, which is this time frame in the market, and from there we get to know what the market is actually doing. So right now we're going to go back to that place again, whereby we expect the market to rise from towards the upside, and get to confirm that place, because it's very, very important to get to confirm it also. Just like the way we are trying to follow up with the trend of the market, you have to also confirm it, so that when the time reaches for the market to get back to that place, you will get to enter and get to make money. So on this place now, you can see that this whole place is accurate. You can see that it's testing the body of the candle. The body of the candle is testing. Okay, very, very good. So we're going to go back to the place where we're trying to get or follow the trend of the market for that day, and get to see if what we are doing is still accurate in the market. So on this market now, you can see that we have gone very, very far, and we're trying to use the historical movement of the market to follow up and get to do the right thing, so we don't have to lose money in the market. So right now on this chart, you can see that in this place where we're expecting the market to drop from, which is this side, we got a shift around this place. So when I was trying to scroll, so around this side where I'm expecting the market to come back to, you can see that the market came around that side, got to break it a little bit. So since the market has broken the overall structure in this place a little bit, what do we expect? We expect the market to drop down towards the side, and if at all the market wants to rise, it can rise towards the upside from this side. But if at all the market doesn't want to rise, it's not going to rise, because we have two places in this market, which is what I told you that time. We have this place where we have our breakout structure area in the market. The breakout structure area in the market can give us a very good bullish move, and this other side can also give us a very bullish move. So we're going to try this first. If this doesn't work in the market, then we get to try this, which states that this place is going to be our plan A in the market, and this is going to be our plan B in the market. So let's go back to our M15 again. Let me show you something. So on this M15 now, this is the place where we expected the market to come around, and the market came, broke. After breaking it, the market started dropping towards the downside now. So we expect two things to happen in this market, which is one, since the market has broken that structure already, the market should come back and get a retest around this side. So we expect a retest around this side, which is the market falling from this place now towards this side. Then if we get a retest, we'll push the market towards the upside. But if we don't get this retest to this side, or the market comes around this place and get to break the whole of this place down, then this is not going to be valid for us. If the market gets to break all of this place where we have this bullish pin back candle in the market, if the market gets to break that place, then this is not going to be valid for us. So right now I'm expecting the market not to break it, but if I thought the market gets to break it, I will continue selling from this place towards the downside, and continuously like that I will get to push the market back to this place where we have in our D1 time frame in the market. So now we have a plan A, we have a plan B. This place where we have our breakout structure candle, where we have this red horizontal line, is our plan A in the market, and this place where we have this blue line, the second blue line under it, is our plan B in the market. And this place is where we're expecting the market to come from. And why I had to choose this place as the area whereby the market is gonna come back to and get a retest is because at this point we have a lot of rejections around this side, and after these rejections you don't expect the market to come back around this side. You expect the market to come to an area whereby it either gave you a pin back candle or a fair value gap candle around. Then from there the market now start rising towards the upside, and since the market has broken the structure around this side, the market is expected to take this place away. If I thought the market came around this side, because to break all this place and drop to the downside, we could have expected this pin bar in this place to push the market to the upside, but the market didn't do that. So we expect the market to fall from this place back to this place, then from there we get to make money. So if you're someone that is even using a small account, you can use this to raise any account at any point, because from this place to the upside is a whole lot of money. From this place now to the downside already is a whole lot of money, and this is something that must happen, except the market just wants to manipulate. So let's get to check how much we're going to make on this. If I thought the market goes in that direction, which the market will surely go, we get to get $32.20 in the market. Let's just say $32 in the market using the lowest lot size. For instance, I had to increase my lot size. I got to increase my lot size to something like one lot in the market, and I get to use our sell limit stuff to check it out. Imagine I took a sale from this place using one lot size, and our take profit is in this place now. So I'm expecting to make $324 in a day, bro. That's a whole lot of money, and this place I'm using as my stop loss, I'm expected to lose about $49 to make $320. It's a very good risk to reward ratio, guys. It's a very good one. For instance, I want to tighten my stop loss more. I just get to use this place and I get to lose $22 while I get to make $320 in the market. So imagine 320 times 3 positions in the market. That's almost $1k in the market for you already. So this $1k is not that even far like that. It's something that we can actually achieve within a little period of time if at all we use the good account size and the good lot size to trade the market every day. So that's all for this video. Let me get to conclude for you guys. I hope you get to learn on how to use this every day and get to make money, because this is exactly the same thing I get to do right now. This is me following the trend of the market, and this is me still analyzing that if at all the market should get around that place, the market should change its direction. So I'm expecting two things in the market. If this at all failed me, I could have expected this place to push the market and I'll still get to enter and I get to make money. For instance, I want to calculate how much I'm going to make in this place if the market comes back to this place and doesn't get to break it. Let's go back to our buy limit. Let me get to use it and check it also. So on this place now, I'm going to tap on this buy limit, and from this buy limit now, I'll go to a higher time frame, because this is going to be a long-term trade. It's going to be a swing trade. So I'm going to expect the market to buy from this side now. From this side, I'm going to buy from this side, and take profit should be around this side. So imagine making 520 by risking not even up to 50 or 30 in the market, depending on the place where I get to place a stop loss. Let's get to check the stop loss area on our M15 time frame, because that's where we get to place our stop loss in the market. For instance, now we get to enter this place. Alright, so we're going to lose how much in the market? This little space in the market, that's about $18, $17, to make 520 in the market, because if I thought the market goes against us in this place, it's not gonna work out at this point again. So these are things you should put in mind, so that whenever you want to get into the market, you get to target something good and get to make reasonable return at the end of the day. That's what matters in trading, guys. So let me get back to the video and get to conclude, guys. So that's all for today's video. Don't forget to do what? Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and don't forget to share with your trading friends so they can get to watch and also get to learn some things from the market, guys. If you didn't get to understand everything in this video, get to watch as many times as possible, so that from this video you'll be able to learn how to trade the market perfectly and start seeing results for yourself also in the market, guys. I think that's all for today's video. You can go back to my old videos and get to watch more, so you can get to learn more about the market and get to make money from the market, guys. See you in my next video. Peace and love, guys.